Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily download GameLoop on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser I have over here and then look for GameLoop download. So make sure to select this website which says the best Android emulator for PC. So left click on it and then click on the download button right over here. Then the download will just be done in a few seconds. You can then run this installer on your PC or laptop. Click on install. I'm just going to minimize my Chrome. So it is now installing GameLoop. It might take a few minutes, but once done, I will get back to you and we will proceed. So now the installation is done. You can now click on start and it will automatically launch GameLoop on your PC or laptop. So over here, let's wait for it to load for a bit. And there you go. You can now view downloaded or pre-registered games here. And then you can just go to the home page and choose any games you would like to install. That's pretty much it. You can now start playing and utilize Loop every day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.